Hi everyone, welcome to Dataset. We have started a new challenge, and in this challenge, we learn one Excel formula every single day. And today, we will also learn a new formula. And for becoming a part of this series and supporting, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and support me with the like and comments. So let's start. Today's formula is the average if formula. The average if is a very useful logical formula that allows you to filter the data within the specific range according to criterion or condition, and then calculate the mean of the only the cells that meet that condition. For example, here we will use average if formula to find the average salary in the engineering department. For applying average if, click the cell and then type the average if with equal sign. And after that, select the range of column that includes your condition. Since my criteria is engineering, I'm choosing the department column. Then select your criteria, which is engineering. And lastly, choose the average range, which is the monthly salary, and then close the parentheses and click enter. And you will see the result. So we learned what is the average formula and how to use it properly. I hope you find this formula very useful. See you in next video.